Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present
YouTube just dropped the hammer. As of July 2025, the era of AI slop is officially over. If you're just feeding prompts into a bot and hitting upload, you're in the splash zone. Your channel could be demonetized or even deleted. Mass-produced, unedited AI garbage is flooding the platform, and YouTube is sick of it. They're calling it inauthentic and repetitious. What counts as slop? Think robotic voices over random stock footage, factual errors, and zero personality. It's filler, not value. But here's the good news. AI isn't banned. It just has to be the assistant, not the creator. You need to provide the human signature. Step 1. Depth and accuracy. AI hallucinates facts. You have to be the expert who verifies the truth to build real trust. Step 2. Inject personality. Humor, live experiences, and stories. These are things a machine literally cannot feel, but your audience can. Treat AI like a high-speed research intern. Let it build the bones, but you provide the soul, the flow, and the final polish. In the age of slop, quality is your only competitive advantage. Don't just make content, make a connection. Want to stay ahead of the algorithm? Hit subscribe, and let's master the balance between AI speed and human heart. See you in the next one.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.